Okay, time for a short update. My motor controller has arrived. This controls the electric struts. It also gives me a load protection and also sets the struts up. So this little pot adjusts the amount of load which this system will accept before it trips. And then what you have is the full raise, full close, and then it just cuts the power, which I'll show you. I've also done some adjustment on these, which I'll show you. So first of all, we'll do the up and down of the decklid. Now this will latch, so just watch the latches. Fully closed, simple as that. Okay, right, so now watch the rear buttress support bracket. I'm not touching anything. So you can see that's now popped up, ready to be hooked over. I've got complete control of that, that's electric. Right, so the way I've done it, first of all I had to extend the support bracket. So we meet my little solenoid down here, which when powered pops out this little plate, foot plate, which the finger sits on. That sits on. Where are you? Never see it, this thing. So it just sits like that. Because it's controlled electronically, it means I can tell it when I want it to go on. So the idea is that the lever down here is going to be my limit switch, which will tell me if the roof is up or down or whatever it is. That will then control the signal to tell a few things, one of being this plate. Now you can see I've cut a little bit of the fiberglass out. That has absolutely no effect on the strength of that bracket. And I've also done the other side. You can see that. It works quite well. I'm quite pleased with it. You might, if I pop this down, you might just be able to see that pop out. And there we have it. Lovely. Thanks for watching.